Welcome to HiExchange, a quick and easy online platform to exchange crypto and digital currencies. In the following video, we will go over how to exchange your Tether for PayPal on HiExchange. Get ready for an introduction to an exchange with hassle-free KYC and no hidden fees. On top of that, customers can choose a wide variety of exchange pairs on HiExchange platform, including cryptocurrencies like Tether and Bitcoin, or e-currencies such as Payeer or Perfect Money. The process for placing a Tether to PayPal exchange order is super easy and will only take 4 steps. As you enter the HiExchange website, select the Tether in the You Send section and PayPal in the We Send on the right. This video only describes the process of exchanging Tethers for PayPal. Please note that you can exchange a wide variety of digital assets on HiExchange. Now, type in the amount of Tethers you want to exchange, and the exchange box will automatically show you how much you need to send and how much PayPal you will receive, as well as the associated fees. Please note that the network fee mentioned under the You Send section is an estimate, and your wallet provider might charge you less or more than this amount. HiExchange will calculate the PayPal you will receive based on the amount of Tether received in our wallet. Click on the Next button to head to the next step. On the second step, you will need to enter your PayPal account and your email address. Make sure to add a valid email address so that our team can contact you in case of having a problem. Furthermore, all notifications regarding your transaction, including the track ID, will be sent to this address. Having done that, click on the Next button one more time to head to the third step. Here, you will once again have a chance to review the transaction details, your PayPal account info, and the email address you have provided. Click on the View and Check button and read the terms and instructions carefully. After that, kindly agree to the terms, click on Confirm, and you will head to the final step. As you enter the last step, you will see your order status and the designated time you have to make the payment. Due to market volatility, the time to send the funds has to be limited, so make sure you proceed with the payment within the time limit. You can see your order status and the details of your specific transaction. Your order has an assigned track ID. Please copy your track ID and save it for later. Make sure that you do not share the track ID with anyone else, since it could compromise your transaction security. Further down, you will see the HiExchange's wallet address. This is the address that you should send the Tethers to. Transfer your Tethers to the designated address. Please note that this Tether address is unique and only generated for one-time use for this order. Do not transfer Tethers to this address for your next orders. Having finished the steps above, HiExchange will automatically detect your payment and proceed with your exchange. In case you haven't left the Step 4 page, refresh your page and you can see your order status. Once your exchange is complete, your transaction status will be updated to Done. Or you can also follow up on your order by typing in your track ID on the home page and clicking on the Track Order button. At this point, HiExchange will show your order information in the admin description section once you have entered your track ID. You can also access your payment receipt on this page. Please note that your amount might be transferred to your PayPal account in 2 or more transactions. Remember that our support team is available 24/7 to answer all your questions. Thank you for choosing HiExchange, where speed, reliability, and support unite.